Shawna Calvert is a top real estate agent in Apollo Beach, Florida, known for 5-star service, local expertise, and a heart for helping families relocate. Specializing in waterfront homes, she brings integrity, care, and results to every move. Hashtag Make the Move 7420 Paradiso Drive, Serefina Floorplan. 4 beds, 3 baths, 3-car garage, private pool, waterfront lot. Built in 2019 by David Weekley Homes, this updated 4-bedroom, 3-bath home with a 3-car garage sits on a large pie-shaped lot with wide lake and conservation views. The backyard is built for entertaining with an extended paver patio, custom outdoor kitchen, smart lighting, and a heated saltwater pool with upgraded lighting and screening. You'll love the fenced yard, outdoor sound system, gas fire pit, and smart landscape lighting that brings the space to life at night. Inside, the home features luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout, no carpet. The kitchen is a standout with white quartz countertops, a large island gas range, Whirlpool smart oven, stainless steel farmhouse sink, smart fridge, designer cabinetry, and upgraded lighting. There are custom built-ins in the family room and den, along with tray ceilings, crown molding, plantation shutters, and surround sound speakers throughout the home. The primary suite overlooks the pool and water view and includes dual custom closets, LED smart mirrors, and a walk-in super shower with soaking tub. Other thoughtful upgrades include a laundry room with added cabinets, built-in mudroom with drop zone, and a smart home system with remote lighting, cameras, thermostat, smart locks, garage door openers, and more. The garage is finished with its own AC system, added insulation, extra lighting, smart storage racks, and a double hanging system for additional organization. The home includes a Culligan water softener, whole house filtration system, and Wi-Fi controlled sprinkler system. Located in Waterfront, one of Apollo Beach's most popular master plan communities, you'll have access to multiple pools, fitness centers, playgrounds, dog parks, splash pad, trails, and more.